Hello and welcome to Time's Ticking. Today I'm going to be going over the most common mistake people make with their Citizen EcoDrive watches, which is storing it in a place that doesn't allow any sunlight to reach it, like a box or a closet. Now I know Citizen claims that their EcoDrive watches will remain running for up to 6 months on a full charge, even in total darkness. However, this can be a limitation due to a number of factors, and we'll get into those right after this intro. The most common factors that will affect how long your watch will remain charged for include things like the model you have, the age of the movement, and of course how long your watch has been exposed to the light beforehand. Going off that third and most common factor, Citizen tells us the general charging requirements for EcoDrive watches, which are as follows. If you're outdoors on a sunny day, charging your EcoDrive for 2 minutes will allow for 1 day use. If you charge it for 11 hours, it equals a full charge. If you're outdoors on a cloudy day, 12 minutes of charge equals 1 day use, and 40 hours on a cloudy day is a full charge. And if you charge your watch at a distance of 8 inches under a 30-watt fluorescent light for 40 minutes is a 1 day use, and 130 hours is a full charge. Watches powered by an EcoDrive capacitor are designed to convert both natural and artificial light into energy to power watches, so even leaving your watch on your dresser will keep your watch running smoothly, ensuring you will never need a capacitor replacement. If you have stored your EcoDrive watch somewhere without access to light for over 6 months, you may have noticed that it has stopped working. Now this may be because of 2 reasons. The first, EcoDrives are designed to go into a low power state after the charge is used up, meaning the watch will appear dead and nothing will be moving on the watch face. To check if your watch has entered this power saving state and hopefully charge up your watch again, you're going to want to supercharge the capacitor cell in the watch by pulling the crown out to the time setting position and place it under either a fluorescent light for at least 130 hours, or if you don't want to wait 5 days, in direct sunlight for 8 to 12 hours, which is what I recommend. If the capacitor is capable of holding a charge, this process should get it running again. If this doesn't work, it's very possible the capacitor has lost its ability to hold a charge, which brings me to my second reason why your watch has stopped working. If your capacitor has lost its ability to hold a charge, you'll need to get a new capacitor replaced. And if you notice your watch slowing down and not keeping accurate time, it's likely you'll need your movement replaced. Hello and thanks for watching. If you enjoyed that video, make sure to give it a like and check out our similar videos right here. If you want to stay up to date with the new and interesting content that we create, you can subscribe to our channel, which is linked right here. And lastly, if you need any help with your watch, make sure to go to our Time's Ticking website, which is linked right here. See you next time.